Hello everyone, we will present our English project to fulfill our final term assignment. First, we want to introduce our team. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lintang and I'm with my friends Helma, Angel, and Marissa. We are from Biomedical Engineering majors at Erlangga University. Our final assignment is about making an essay that is related to our major. The title we choose for this project is Why Are Biomedical Engineers Needed in the World Nowadays? And then, purpose of this title that we choose is we would like to share our knowledge and reasons why biomedical engineers are needed in nowadays world with the developing of technologies. Without waiting any longer, let's open up the essay we've been working on. As a beginning, the dynamics of an increasingly modern era today certainly cannot be separated from the development of technology, included medical device. In the medical or health sector, the process of making medical devices requires someone who understands both medical science and engineering. So, what is biomedical engineering? We can simply say that biomedical engineering is combination of engineering and medical science to produce a technology that could improve health levels. The medical equipment that can be produced by biomedical engineers is like ultrasonography, MRI, stem cell, implant, and etc.
Biomedical engineers are closely related to medical equipment, from the education that they learn to their implementation on their job. Biomedical engineers who work in hospital assist doctors in the treatment and recovery process of patients through medical devices. There is a lot of medical equipment made by biomedical engineers as stated in the essay. There are several reasons why biomedical engineers are needed in this world. The first is biomedical engineers improving healthcare with medical equipment. This is a finding from lots of medical devices that have developed and assist doctors in curing patients. Some real findings stated in the essay.
The second reason is that biomedical engineers are in demand. Statistics speaking show that the biomedical engineering job will grow by 7% between 2016 and 2026. Also, there's a rising demand of biomedical engineers in developed countries, which has an aging population and a low birth rate. These countries include the United States of America, the United Kingdom, Netherlands, Denmark, Sweden, Australia, New Zealand, and many other countries. Biomedical engineers are in demand because the increasing development of technologies and applications to medical equipment and devices, along with the medical needs and healthcare facilities of a growing and aging population, will require the service of biomedical engineers. That is why the prospect of being a biomedical engineer is way better in developed countries rather than developing countries. From that paragraph, it is a fact that biomedical engineers are in demand. Sadly, there is no Indonesia on the list of countries that need biomedical engineers. But that is why we need to help our country to improve healthcare devices for a better future.
There are some specializations that biomedical engineers get to choose from the basic ones such as instrumentation and biomaterials to the more advanced such as clinical engineering and medical imaging. Biomedical engineering is a profession that does research and develops new solutions in the medical world. There would be new diseases and discoveries as time flies. Therefore, biomedical engineers are the one responsible for such problems. In 2018, the median bioengineer salary was 88,550 per year, according to BLS analysis, which is equivalent to $42.50 per hour. Biomedical engineering is a rewarding kind of career in many ways, whether it is the circuitry that runs medical equipment or designing prosthetics that replace limbs.
There are a lot of benefits to being a biomedical engineer. Biomedical engineering is a unique interface between engineering and healthcare in general. Therefore, biomedical engineers have wider knowledge by learning between the two of them. Biomedical engineers can solve many healthcare and engineering related problems and work independently to make decisions. Biomedical engineers work associated with doctors and medical scientists for developing new technologies in the medical field. Also, the research opportunities in this field are huge because of the huge amount of funding for developing devices. Therefore, the most important benefit of being a biomedical engineer is the honor to serve people around the world by inventing new technologies for better healthcare. With that being said, there is no harm in trying to become a biomedical engineer. It has a lot of more benefits than you think. Also, if you are interested in all materials of science, this major suits you. Being a biomedical engineer is not that common, so our job needs people who are interested in becoming one.
Biomedical engineering is a multidiscipline that applies various engineering, science, and technology methods to solve medical problems and improve society's health conditions. Biomedical engineers work alongside doctors and other medical workers that indicate there's no doubt that biomedical engineering has a big impact on the world. Developed countries are the ones who need biomedical engineers the most. The designs of the devices surely make the healing process easier and more efficient. Not to mention the incomes you get, it will be worth all the medication you give to the people who need it the most. And here are some of the uh, references that we use to make the essay. And we all thank you for your attention. We surely hope that we could give good influences to those looking for some references on what to achieve in the future. We also hope that people would acknowledge and appreciate the importance of biomedical engineering to the medical field. And if you want to leave a comment on our blog site, you can leave a comment in the site. Thank you.